SINOM scrap cleaning line. The equipment has been manufactured. Load the car from the factory, ready for shipment. Arrived at the customer's designated port location and completed loading the vessel. EZZ Steel, SINOM scrap cleaning line. The scrap cleaning line is used to obtain pure scrap steel with certain block size under the action of magnetic separation equipment. It is especially effective in treating mixed materials, magnetic materials, non-magnetic materials, dust and fine objects, and is the most realistic tool to improve the quality of scrap steel at present. The treated scrap steel can meet the requirements of being put into the furnace after refining at steel mills. After successful commissioning, our technicians and steel mill staff took a group photo.